Greetings, Earthlings. It is I, the all-intelligent Zaren, supreme being of the 26 other worlds and professional user of TextBlaze, the amazing Chrome extension that turns all of your repetitive text into handy shortcuts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your very own awesome email signature with TextBlaze. Any respectable email signature should start with a cordial salutation. I like to go with something amicable and endearing. Death and destruction. Followed by my name and credentials. Zaren, the all-intelligent, supreme being of the 26 other worlds, professional user of TextBlaze. I like to have some styling on my fonts just to give it a touch of oomph. Now, don't you just hate it when someone sends you an email and there's no contact information? Let's not make that mistake here. I'm going to link to my website and email address. Let's add a phone number too. And of course, a picture of my glorious visage. Time to give it a test run. Now, we can make this even more awesome. I can add a drop-down menu for my salutations to pick the best phrase to suit the conversation. Death and destruction. Annihilation of you and yours. Best wishes of terrifying obliteration. One more thing. Let's add an optional sentence to inform our dear recipient that will be out of the office and whom they should contact in my absence. First, we need to write the message. Next, we need a text field for customization. Finally, we have the Gmail CC command to include our colleague in the correspondence. Now, all that's left is to take this whole part and put it inside a toggle box like this. We'll set it to off by default. And turn the email address into a link. Let's try out our new version. Notice that when the toggle box is off, my colleague is not added in CC. But if I activate it, the email address gets added automatically. Now you too can emulate the greatness of Zaren the All-Intelligent by having your own customized TextBlaze email signature. Grab the template from the video description below.